Hello friends, in today's video we are going to learn two functions which is today function and now function, and along with that I'm also going to teach you one bonus function which is basically hidden within Excel. That function is little difficult to identify and very few people know about it, so that is going to be my bonus tip. So let's begin. So today or now functions are basically used in the reports which are highly dynamic, which need to be refreshed or let's say updated on a real time basis whenever the Excel file is opened. In those cases, today and now functions are used. So I will quickly show you how it works. So it will be so for today function returns date and now function returns time, and with some modification to the settings it can show combination of date and time. So I will just show you equal to today. This is the very simple formula, so you just have to type equal to and today, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, nothing in between. So as you can see, the date has appeared. Now I put now function equal to, again now, open and close parenthesis, nothing in between. So here we have got date and time basically, but in some cases if the formatting is not correct, let's say I will put it somewhere randomly, equal to now. Okay, so fortunately for me, date and time both are appearing together, but for some people it may happen that only date is appearing or only time is appearing. In that case you have to change the settings. Like, let me change this setting to general. Now let me put now again, equal to now. Okay, so fortunately it is appearing, but in some cases when you put now, only time will appear or only date will appear. Then in that case you will have to go to this format settings and I will show you what exactly is to be done. So on the screen I have mentioned this date and time format like DDMMYY and then HHMM and then AM/PM. You can type it on your Excel, copy this, then you have to place Control 1 so that this format cells window will open. This is one method you can open it, or another method is you can simply click on this drop down, go to more number formats, click on custom, and here in type you just have to paste this format and enter OK. If you do that, this type of formatting will appear wherein date and time is together. Now you can use this, especially today function, to calculate days in between two dates. So let's say you want to see how many days are left for, let's say, project completion, and the project target date is, let's say, 30th June 2026. So what you can do is equal to select the cell where date exists, less today function, today, open and close parenthesis, comma. So as you can see, 59 days are left between today's date and 30th June 2026. Now there is another method. If you want to, let's say, calculate age in Excel, so in typical scenario you will use some long cut, like you will calculate days between today's date and the birth date and then divided by 365, something like that you will do. But I'm going to show you one function in Excel which is like hidden function. So let's say somebody's date of birth is 13th April 1995 and I want to identify age of that person. The formula will be equal to dated if, open parenthesis, select the cell where date of birth exists, comma, today, open and close parenthesis, again comma, quotation y, again close the quotation, close parenthesis, enter. So as you can see, the age 31 has appeared. I'm sure all of you must have tried this on your laptop screen, but let's say if you put date, right, to type dated if, you will see that dated if function does not appear at all in the drop down. You can see date or date value. So here comes the magic. So actually this dated if function doesn't appear in any of the drop down, or you won't find it in the Excel formula or function. You simply have to type dated if manually, open parenthesis, and continue with the formula, and surprisingly it works. So you don't have to, after typing date, keep searching in the drop down where is the dated if function. So this was the bonus tip from my side, Excel's hidden function. So this was the bonus. Hope you found this video to be very useful. I hope I was able to add value to you. So if you have liked this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with more and more people. Thank you.